Good morning. Today we are going to see components of laser. Already we have seen what is population inversion and what is the necessary for that population inversion, everything. Now components means how to produce laser and what are the components required for the manufacturing or production of a laser. There are three main components, okay, for producing laser action. First one is active medium. Active medium means, for example, consider atom or consider a medium in which many atoms are there. In a medium, not all the atoms are in same energy level. There are different energy levels. And all the atoms are not supporting the stimulated emission. That means population inversion is not possible in all energy level as well as for all the atoms. Only certain number of atoms or particular atoms achieve population inversion. Population inversion can be achieved in a particular set of atoms only. Okay, that atoms are called active centers. Okay, the atoms which can be achieved or which can be used for population inversion is called active centers, and the remaining atoms are the host of the remaining atoms in a medium is called active medium. Okay, that means some atoms are used to achieve the population inversion, they are called active centers, and the remaining atoms in the particular medium are called active medium. Okay, without active centers and active medium there is no population inversion. Next one is pump. Already I told you we have to achieve all the atoms to go to excited state, and for that we have to continuously supply energy to the system. Then only atoms in the ground level can reach the excited state. After that we can go for a stimulated emission. Okay, for that, to give energy, to supply energy, we use pumping system. Okay, the energy supplied or the process of supplying energy is called pumping action, and the agency is called pumping. And there are three types of pumping. Okay, optical pump, electrical discharge, and direct conversion of electrical energy into light energy, which is in the semiconductor laser, and this is solid state laser. They will ask in a small question, okay, what are the components or in particular what are the types, just like, okay. Next one is optical resonator cavity. Okay, that means it is analogous to the electronic oscillator. For that you have to understand what is electronic oscillator. Okay, in electronics amplifier is there. Amplifier means a signal is amplified. Okay, oscillator means which produce waves. Okay, basically an amplifier is converted into oscillator. See, this is an oscillator. Here you are giving input, and amplifier means what? Input is amplified, therefore output is there. If you give part of the output to the input, okay, you have to take part of the output and you have to give it to the input, and in a positive feedback, that means phase should be same, that is called positive feedback. Okay, if you give positive feedbacks, then this is called oscillator. Okay, the same thing is happening here. Okay, in the production of the laser, this is called optical resonator. Okay, here active medium is there, pumping is there, and two mirrors are used. Okay, one is 100% reflecting mirror, one is partially reflecting, that is semi-transparent mirror. Okay, here when you pump the energy, atoms are get excited. It moves from ground level to the excited state. After that it moves to the metastable state. Okay, and by chance some atoms are spontaneous emission, and due to that stimulated emission is achieved. And after that, in a stimulated emission, energy is coming out. That energy travels in a optical line path. Okay, and it travels in this medium and it is getting reflected by this. After that it is coming here and it is reflected by here, this mirror, and keep on reflection, and due to this process it gains strength. Okay, after gaining strength, that means after amplification, it will go along this way. And in this semi-transparent mirror, the light laser is passed, and here you are getting the laser. Okay, this is just like a resonator. Okay, now these are all the three components. Okay, in exam they will ask what are all the three components, or in objective what is active center. Okay, what are all the types, and what is the use of this pumping. Okay, just like they will ask. Thank you. In next class, let us see Ruby laser, and please subscribe and put a comment. Thank you.